Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2013 Chevy Traverse and I will show you how to remove the front passenger door inner door panel. This video should apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2013 all the way up to 2017. Now there was a facelift in 2013, so I'm not sure if 2009 to 2012 will be the same or not. But if the panel looks the same like this one, then this could apply to older models as well. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. I will also add, before I start, I'm doing this for the first time as well, so I will record how I work and explain what has to be done. And the first thing you want to do, you want to pop out this plastic cover just behind the door handle. I'm gonna show it to you here. So you see there's like a small opening here. I'll turn on the flash actually on my phone. Okay, you see that small opening, you just want to kind of pry it out. The best tool to use would be something like this, a plastic trim remover. If you don't have it, you can use like a small flat screwdriver. Just in that case, be careful not to damage the handle or this plastic piece, right? Okay, so I got this cover off. This is how it looks, just held by a couple of plastic clips. Now I had to hold this door handle using one hand like this, and then I pried it out, so that's why I didn't record it. I had to use both of my hands. And the next step, you want to remove this torx T30 mounting screw. So what you will need the torx T30 socket and the extension, right, to remove it. Okay, so this is the screw. Now once you have this one out, the next thing you will do, you will pop out this plastic insert in the handle. So again, you can use like a pry tool or a flat screwdriver and just to get this off. It's being held again by a couple of plastic clips, and then you will have a couple of mounting screws, also torx T30. I will try to zoom in and turn on the flash, hopefully you'll see it better. Okay, see, there is one here, there is one down there in the opening, and then you will have this black phillips screw right here. Honestly, I have no idea if it has to be removed, but I will remove that one as well. So let's remove those three, and then that should be it. Okay, now once these guys are loosened up and removed, next thing, I don't see anything else holding this panel in place actually, so just have to pop it out all around. So starting, I don't know, from this side and go all around it to pop out the panel. Now I will be using this plastic trim remover. If you don't have it, you can use something like a flat screwdriver. I will show you. Actually, I started on this side already. I will show you how this looks. And there is a bunch of these, you see, white plastic pins. Now you have to be careful not to break those. These are all around. If you break them, you won't be able to put the panel back in place, and they are inside these small black holes. So I'm gonna try to show you, but you see, so it's actually inside here. Okay, so the idea is just use your pry tool and get all around under the panel and pop it out, right? Now I have to use again both of my hands while doing this, but this is the idea. Go all around and start popping it. And once you pop it and it's quite loose, don't pull the panel towards yourself, because you will still have to lift the panel up to get this lock pin out from the panel. So this has to go all the way in actually, so that's why I said you have to lift the panel up to release it from this knob. Yeah. Okay, now my panel is completely loose, as you can see. Now, like I said, you just have to lift it up over that pin, okay, so don't break it. Okay, once the panel is off, to completely remove it, first you have to detach the door handle. I'll try to record this here, actually explain to you what has to be done. Now you have to remove this cable, right? There's like this small ball here and this plastic pin. You have to remove the pin from this opening. So you will see this part of the pin. It will have like two black tabs, one here and one on the other side. So you have to use like a small pliers, press on these pins, and then you'll be able to pull this cable out, up, and remove the ball from this door handle assembly. I will show you once again. Once I do that, I can't, I just have to use both of my hands because this is quite, it's easy to break it. So, but you see there's like one pin here and one on the other side. So just press it, pull out, lift up, and remove the ball. I will demonstrate again once I have it off. Okay, so I got it off. So you see, this is where I had to press. You have to press these two like clips together, and then you can pull this cable out and remove the ball from the assembly. It's not that hard to do. So I use like these small pliers, right, just to press here while pulling it out. And now the last thing to completely remove the panel is just disconnect these two connectors. So you want to press this green tab, pop it out, and this gray tab here, and pop it out, and the panel is completely removed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.